Hello guys, it's Incognito here. So, as you can see from the thumbnail, today's video we will replace the light of the trunk. It's halogen and I want to convert it to LED. Why? Because all of the interior of the Jaguar, it's LED, only the doors and the light in the rear view mirrors are not LED. And yeah, you will see that's very easy job. The trunk, it's like 20 seconds to do it, and I will also show you what is the light. I will use it after the introduction and how the look likes, or the light looks like the stock one compared to the LED one that you will replace it. So let's pass the intro and start change the light. This is the bulb that we will use it. So this is a T10 bulb. Make sure it's Kanban. I'm not sure if we need it, but to make sure, and it's very inexpensive, you can choose a Kanban one T10. I will also put the link in the description. I have this one in spare, but I will put the link where I ordered like 1 or 2 years ago. I used this in Alfa Romeo on the minimum lights because it has like halogen, and because I have xenon lights, I don't enjoy the yellowish tone of the halogen lights, and I replace it for this one because it has like a cooler tone, like bluish. It's more like the xenon lights, and I will use it in the Jaguar. So let's open the trunk and see how the stock ones are. Let's close the trunk first and then open it again, and you will see. So let's open it. Yeah, so this is the light, as you can see here. So yellowish. Let me check if you can see. Yeah, so yeah, very yellowish. So I will place the camera and let's start to replace the lights. So what you need to do is with your fingers. You don't even need any tools. Just press here. It will pop up. Be careful because it's very hot. Remove it, and then just put the new one. I'm not sure if okay. Just make sure you place it correctly. Okay, I think it's like this one. Okay, check the polarity. Maybe it's the way around, and just okay. Maybe I need, let me grab a light. It's easy. So let's grab a light. Okay, it's easy with the light. Oh, come on. Let's put it like that. So, okay. Let's, and then just put it, clip it, and there you go. As you can see, it's way brighter and it illuminates even better the trunk. So guys, as you can see, very easy thing to do. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, and also subscribe because I will also show how to replace all the other halogen lights of this car. I also plan replace the turn signal lights, stop lights, we will check it, and also the front turn signals, and also replace the xenon headlights to LED ones. So yeah, if you want to know how to do it, you don't need to replace it by LEDs. You can also, if you have any lamp that will die or died, etc., it's useful to know how to replace it. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.